So we'll do red later. We're gonna do the gold. Okay, so that's enough of that. I know now. So first off, I'm gonna start off using tan on my lid, tan right here. And this is a Motor Pro brush. I got it from BoxyCharm. It does not have a number on it. So we're just gonna use this like as a transition color. Do not, I repeat, do not blend up to your eyebrows. I know it's easier said than done, but try your best not to. So we're just gonna put tan. And we just gonna pack it on. And we're just putting tan on our crease area. And we're just gonna pack that on. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with brown. And we're gonna kinda deepen it up a little bit. Yeah. Let's get another brush. Let's use my Morphe brush. It doesn't have a number either, but it's a little bit smaller than the other brush. I'm gonna use brown. And we're gonna really put that in the crease area, but we're not trying to take away from tan. So, like that. Just packing it on, and then we probably would go over it. I'll probably go over like the top part with tan, so the tan won't disappear. Okay. Okay, so this is how it's looking. I blended it out. Looks good, sis. So the next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut my crease. I'm just using my Lancome. Oh my God, where is this hair coming from? I'm using my Lancome concealer. So I'm gonna put it, start off right here. Look up, and then I'm gonna cut. Okay, so I just set my eye. I went in with just any gold color. I did not mean to tear that off. Any gold color to, I like to put a base up under the glitter. Well, this is my first time doing glitter, girl. I'm acting like I'm doing something. I don't know. I just watch videos on it. Okay, so I'm going to use my NYX Glitter Primer. Could not find this at any store. Had to order it from Amazon. Couldn't find it at any stores. I had to order it. I think it was like $6. This is what it looks like. Okay, so I got a little bit on my hand. Take just a little bit on my brush. And I just put this on top of that base. And this is how you're gonna get your glitter to stick. I'm just putting it all over. Okay, now it's time for glitter. Okay, so I'm just gonna dip my brush over now and try to put it on as neatly as possible. I'm gonna try. Oh Lord, making a mess. Hold on. So you just want to make sure, just dabbing it on. And see, this is why I didn't do my full face beforehand, because I knew that this is my first time doing glitter, so I didn't want to mess up my foundation and everything. So yeah, I'm just adding the glitter. Make sure I'm putting it in any spots I feel like need it. Look at me, shining bright like a diamond. Girl, I'll be over here acting like I know what I'm doing. So yeah, I'm just patting this on, glitter everywhere. Oh. Okay. I had to move that one, girl. Star almost got in my eye. But that's what it's looking like. Ooh. Ooh. So, I'm just going to continue to do this. And then I'm going to show you what I want to put on in the corner or on the end. And I also seen a video somebody took their finger and like just, you know, just pressed it on like that. Like a mermaid. Okay, so I'll be right back. Into the box of crayons palette, and I'm gonna use black. Okay, I like the glitter. Let me scoot in a little bit. I like the glitter. It kind of feels kind of heavy on your eye though. Some people wearing this every day. How you wearing this every day? How you do that? It feels like it's kind of, you know, kind of heavy on my eyelid. Heavy. Yeah, I'm just gonna take some black and just put it right there on the sides. I probably should have did this before I did the glitter, huh? That would have been smart. So now I know to go and put the black over here on this side. Yeah. So I'm back, y'all. This is the final look. Ooh, I like it. Well, yeah, this is what it's looking like. I don't know, like, I just did, like, today was the day that I decided to slay. Like, I have not been doing makeup in so long, but today, baby. Okay, so you seen where the colors I used on my eyes. As far as my lip, I do not have a brown lip pencil. Can you believe it? I don't. So what I did, I took some brown eyeshadow and I lined my lips with that. And I just got some gloss that I got from the hair store. Just some regular gloss. It's just a clear gloss. And I think that's it for the most part. Yeah, up under my eyes, I did the brown. I lined it in black, and then I did the brown up under. And highlight is from the Watch Me Blush palette by Crayoncase. And I also use it to contour, but I've done it in so many other videos that I bet you probably already know. So yeah, so this is the completed look. And it really wasn't that hard, but people probably would think that this took a lot of work, and it didn't. But we ain't gonna tell them. Oh, and another thing I wanted to share. Now, I had started back drawing on my eyebrows, and it wasn't coming out like how I like them. This Iconic London, I don't know if y'all can see that. I got this from BoxyCharm. I absolutely love this. It comes with a little brush. You open up the pan. You got the dark brown and the black, and it comes with the little brush. You take it out, pop it open, pop. What I like about this though is that it gives you total control of your eyebrows. So it's kind of easier if you're a beginner trying to do eyebrows. I would suggest investing in something like this because it's easier than to draw them on. Because when you draw them on, you can mess them up and you look mad, and you ain't even mad. People are like, why you look so mad? And you not. So what I like to do, I like to start off like at the beginning of my brow with the brown, and then I like fill it in with the brown and the black, because I don't like black eyebrows. I don't think they look good on my skin tone. So yeah, so if you can invest in something like this, and this is medium, I guess it's like the color, I guess they got like dark and whatever. So yeah, so that is it. Blush, just a regular pink blush, no, nothing special. I will put the links down below of the primer I used and the pack of glitter. And I will list all the products I use also in the description bar down below, like down below. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, which is really soon, because girl, I did 2 videos in one. But make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, bye. Love you.